So they had a bridge and a boat problem in the East River yesterday or the day before. The Mexican Navy, now in the way they have a problem with the cartels, had one of the ships go out of control and had a huge, large tow mass, and it smacked into the Brooklyn Bridge, damaging it. Luckily, nobody got killed, but people were seriously injured, too critically. Could you imagine the guy in the mask in Spanish? Oye, diga al capitán que está muy cerca del puente. Oh, cabrón, no venga con ese chiste que no tiene control del bote. No. Estamos muy cerca del puente. ¿Qué? ¿De verdad? No. Crash. Now, the reason why a lot of people didn't fall into the water is because they had harnesses on when this happened, and luckily, even when those masks broke, people were still attached to the harnesses and the mask, and nobody fell in the water. But they're still hurt because, you whacking into a bridge up high and don't know where that part of the mask is going to end up. You could be a sandwich between the damaged mask and the section that's not damaged. That hurts. But damn, that's not a thrill ride I want to pay for. That's for sure. But you believe me, I'm sure Gabriel Iglesias will come up with a better joke about this than I can. Oh boy.